Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and I want to show you this skin cleansing brush, and it's suitable for all skin types. And obviously you can see from the top here it's from Lloyds Pharmacy. It's not the most expensive of cleansing brushes and it doesn't really have any brand names, but it can do the job just as much as the expensive ones. So again, it exfoliates, it cleanses, it massages for radiant looking skin, and it has 4 interchangeable brush heads. So you've got one for dermabrasion brush, you've got the sensitive cleansing brush, you've got the moisturizing sponge, and also you've got the one that does the facial massage here at the end. So it says it deep cleanses the skin. So let's see. It looks very simple. It does require 2 AA batteries as well. So I'm getting ready to open this one up and use this as part of my daily cleansing. So what you get inside the box is the stand, which has the Lloyds Pharmacy logo on there. So that's your stand. You do get your batteries included. I didn't realise you actually had it included, but you get batteries included. These are the heads. So you can see the different kinds of heads. Let's get the other one out. So you can see the difference. It's got this like a blue circle around. So that's a different head, so that you can differentiate from the two. This one actually feels very soft. This is very soft. So I say this one would be for sensitive. This one's it's more harder, but not too much. And then you've got the other head here, which is the sponge, and that looks really, really soft sponge. And the one that massages is actually already fitted onto the cleansing brush, and then simply you've got your on and off. So let's get the batteries inside and put the batteries in. And that does fit. Is it this way? Or is it that way? I think it's that way. Okay, so that does fit nicely onto the stand. And then, like I said, I've got my 3 heads here. Manual, your little book that tells you, and again, like I said, suitable for all skin types. So here you are, it does show you in a clear picture I was correct, that was the sensitive, because if you do feel it, it is a lot softer. I'm going to be using this one, I think, not the sensitive one, but I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use that with the botanical Mary Kay Botanical Effects cleansing gel, just because this is what I'm using daily now. And you know, all you need to do is put the water on the brush, put a little bit of the gel onto the brush, and just lather that into the face. And I'm going to be using this cleansing brush to do that. And then that's going to be part of my skincare routine. So I must admit that felt really good on my skin. I would definitely be using that as my cleanser rather than just using my hands. Like I said, I did have a Brawn one, but it doesn't work anymore. So, and this one also gives me the additional heads that I didn't have with the Brawn. So I will be using that with my Mary Kay. I can't stress how much I'm using the Mary Kay cleansing gel every day, and yeah, I'm really loving it. It's definitely agreeing with my skin. I will be putting down Cheryl Norton's Facebook and Instagram, and please, if you can, follow her. And also there is one free per household, one of the full-size samples, if you just ask and message her on the Facebook page. She has a certain amount while stocks last, so you know, get in there. I don't know whether they're finished or not, so just try and maybe ask her for different samples. I will be doing another video on some of Cheryl Norton's gift boxes. She sent me another one out that will be coming up. I can't wait to show you the products in there. I would definitely be doing a demonstration video and giving you a review on that, so look out for that video. So that's all I can say about this video. I really like the cleansing brush. I don't really believe that, you know, although the only thing about this one, it's, but then my Brawn was the same. I don't think it had many speeds that you can do on it. This was just a 1 speed, but it was just enough. It's just enough what you need for your skin. It's not too speedy or too, it was just the right amount, so I'm really pleased about that. I don't have any problems anyway. So yes, that was the cleansing brush, and that was the review. I'm really happy with it. I've used the Q&A, both the serum and face cream for afters, just to, you know, skincare routine really. So yeah, I think I've done these as well on another video. If you haven't seen that, then go check it out. So that ends this video here. Please join me again for some more fabulous ideas. If you have noticed my nails as well, these are the blue coloured nails from Maybelline. I can definitely put a link down below for that. I got that from Amazon, so I'll leave that if you're interested. As spring is coming in and the nice weather, blue skies, longer hours, yeah, it's nice to have something a little bit more bright and not so dark. So, you know, I'm bringing in the bright colours. So there we go, that's it for this video. If you liked it, then give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, then why not? So please do so, and tune in for some more fabulous ideas. Also, if you haven't hit on that notification button, then please do that as well. So stay safe, take care, see you again in another video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, see you again for some more fabulous ideas.